In this episode, I'm going to show you how to increase battery life on your Android phone. In current time, we use our phone for basically all sorts of activities. We use our phone to watch movies, we play games, which eventually affect our battery life on our phone. In this episode, I'm going to show you quick things to do to help improve your battery life on your Android phone. On your phone, navigate to your settings, then scroll down to locate About Phone. From there, proceed to Software Information. On this interface, locate builder number and click on this for 7 times. After that, you can navigate back and back again. Another option will be activated on your phone, which is developer options. Proceed to click on it. Then on this menu, you have a bunch of items. You will have to locate where the apps is. In your phone, it might be applications, but in my phone, it's apps. Under this apps option, proceed to click on background process limit. Then you have multiple items here. Then proceed to click on no background process. When you click on this, all background process activities that is running on your phone with or without your permission will be turned off, and it helps to conserve your battery. The only downside to this is when you open an app, you have to make sure you've utilized it before you close it. So for instance, when you want to download a YouTube video and you open the YouTube app, you have to make sure that the YouTube app video is downloaded before you minimize it. Otherwise, when you minimize it, it won't download again. Or if you want to have that experience of background downloads, you can navigate to this option and then place it to standard limit, which will allow you to do any activities that you deem fit to do. After you are done with this setting, then navigate back in settings, locate where sounds and vibration is and click there. Then scroll down to locate system sound and click there. In here, we could see our system sound is basically turned on. We can turn all this off, so our screen lock can be toggled off and charging off. All this can be toggled off. And after this, when you are done, then navigate back again and then locate display. With your display, you can toggle dark mode on. This helps to conserve your battery life. The brightness of your phone tends to affect the battery life of your phone. So when you are done turning this on, if you have this option on, you can turn this on. So what this will do is anytime you are outdoor and there's a sun reflection, it helps to adjust the brightness of your screen. And when you are indoor, it also adjusts it to the normal view. These are quick tips that you should utilize in order to conserve the battery life of your Android phone. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.